Yeehaw! Another segment from PappysCorner coming up.
This new pressure sprayer is getting assembled, and it's a Stanley gas-powered pressure washer with 2800 psi. It pumps 2.3 gallons per minute. The engine comes with a 2-year warranty, 1 year for the pump, and 5 years on the frame. The part number is SXPW61040 by Stanley.
This goes through, for some reason, this goes like this.
Now he's mounting the handle harness.
But that doesn't seem right to me. I wouldn't have designed it like that. That ain't right neither. That totally ain't right.
Actually, the holder for the spray handle works, as you can see here.
It sure is weird having oil come in a bag. They say to check this, you don't screw it in. When you check your oil level, it's got a little bit of oil in there. You just go pop and look at it. Now, this is just like any other pressure washer. You don't want to have this running without water hooked up into it. That's why the pump only has a 1-year warranty, because most people are stupid enough not to think about that every time they start it. So you need water in there. Look before you pump. Do not use fuel that contains more than 10% ethanol. So when we go to fill up these things, we have to use the 91 octane. Smaller engines, they can't really adapt that many things, so you just have to put that kind of stuff in there. So
Ethanol shield engine protector, and this is where you connect the sprayer hose, and this is where the garden hose connects, and this is for the soap pickup hose.
that red one will cut through wood, so not to use it on wood.
Here, he's getting the garden hose connected, turn on the shutoff valve, and get some water to flow through the pressure washer hose.
Come on, all right. It's really important to make sure that's secure in there, because if it ain't, it'll shoot onto your car and leave it.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
How do you know?
I did that. This I don't even wet down the paint first before I put on this soap, because this is about like a splash of that much soap and water.
And here's some other car washing tools we use. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.